There she is. A little bit dirty. We're gonna take care of that today. What's going on, YouTube? It's been a while since I've made another video. As you can tell, she is filthy. I wanted to do more videos after I installed my my grill, but life goes on. We got a new place, we got a new home. We moved from Illinois to Indiana, so that kind of put everything on hold. But today we're gonna be doing a makeover in the interior of my 9400i.
A company always on.
She is, man. She looks decent, clean. Looking good. Now that she's nice and clean, I clean the interior a little bit. This one's going away, so is that one. Sears Atlas 2 black and burgundy leather seats. This is the shop, Bob's Chrome Shop, exit 15 on I-80. Check them out. That looks pretty nice. Sears Atlas 2. I like them. Here's the old one. Seen better days, that's for sure. This one was real stiff, no air suspension. That's gonna change. She's all done for today. Got her nice and clean, washed. Check out the seats. So this is the third day with the new seats. I think the inside of my truck looks awesome. I love it. The fact that the seats are the same one, driver and passenger, I think makes the truck looks amazing. Makes it look new, makes it look clean. I like the outside of my truck. Now I really love the inside. I like the space between the seat and the wheel. Gives me a nice leg room. A lot more than the one I had before. I'm not sure what kind of seat that was. You saw it in the beginning of the video. But I love it. The truck is looks nicer, looks cleaner, newer. Most of you guys know the 9400i. They have this plastic cup holder underneath the passenger seat. That was taken off and throw it in the garbage. Because it was just old, dirty. And every time I would hit a bump or the road was bumpy, that thing would make a lot of noise. So now I have to buy something to organize my cleaning supplies there. But so far, man, I love the way the truck looks on the inside. This year, hopefully, I'm going to change the wheel. I'm going to go with pearl white. I'm going to change the shifter pearl white. The trailer and tractor brake knobs, change those too. And maybe put some lights in here. Here, and maybe over here. And two more right underneath the glove compartment. So it lights up the whole bottom of the truck when I'm riding at night. I've seen that in other trucks and I think it looks amazing, so I'll do that in my truck. Appreciate you guys watching the first video I made. Hopefully you like this one. If you have any ideas, suggestions about the interior or exterior of my truck, I would appreciate it. I've seen, like I said before, great looking 9400Is, and I hope to make this one more. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.